Hey tech enthusiasts, today I've got something out of this world to share with you. The UK has just tested a laser weapon that hits targets at the speed of light. Imagine a beam so fast the target never even sees it coming. This cutting-edge test took place at the Defence Science and Technology Laboratory, or DSTL, range in Wiltshire, UK. The laser was developed by the American defence giant Raytheon, working hand-in-hand with UK suppliers. Described as lightweight, portable and high energy, this laser is the first of its kind to be integrated onto a land vehicle in the UK. Mounting it on an armoured vehicle gives a huge operational advantage on the battlefield. Not only can it be operated from the vehicle, but this laser can also track multiple targets and strike from more than a kilometre away, moving faster than the speed of light. That's right, faster than light. The UK government is calling this a major leap in their land laser-directed energy weapon programme. Dr. Paul Hollinshead, the chief executive of DSTL, celebrated this milestone, saying it accelerates the adoption of directed energy weapons. He emphasised the importance of working closely with defence equipment and support and industry to develop these critical new capabilities. The goal? To prepare the armed forces for a future where they can detect, disable and destroy novel threats. The laser is not just powerful, it's also low cost, fully portable and easy to operate. This allows the Ministry of Defence and the British Army to understand the utility of these laser systems against evolving threats. James Gray, the chief executive of Raytheon UK, also commented on the success. He pointed out that firing the first laser weapon integrated on a land vehicle in the UK proves Raytheon's high-energy laser system can track, engage and defeat targets while mounted on a vehicle. And what's next? The British Army is set to experiment with this weapon over the coming months to ensure it's battlefield ready. So, there you have it. The future of defence technology is here and it's moving at the speed of light. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing tech updates. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more cutting-edge tech news. Catch you in the next one.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.